front of the mat, front of the mat. Paschimottanasana and Halasana in a way, moving like rhythm, with rhythm, minimum 15, maximum 20 times. So we have to try to stretch body front and then palms beside, contract your core, touch the floor. Slowly come back, bend forward, 1. Now again. Slowly contract your core muscle, don't bend your knees, 3. So we have to do continue. Go behind, go front, it become 1. So minimum 20, minimum 10, maximum 20. Okay, you will try your best. Some people, they cannot touch the foot on the floor. So in this case, we don't need to touch the foot in the floor. We just go further as much as we can. I will show you for level 1. So you will have overall knowledge that okay, level 1 everybody can practice this posture. Level 1 people, they can maybe touch the like this. If they cannot bend forward or maybe they cannot touch, so they will try to touch 2-3 times. Spring technique. Try touch here. Okay, and then they go back. So if here, support the hip and then try to spring technique again. Use the spring technique 2-3 times. This is for level 1, but don't bend the knees, knee straight, point your foot. Okay, and then slowly come back. So whenever you will try like this, so you will improve your flexibility by this way. Don't have to go so deep or so deep forward. We will just try our best. This is the best way to follow the yoga class. Don't force yourself, don't push yourself at all. Okay, let's try together. So we go front, slowly we go back to the behind. We don't force, don't jerk, just try to move our body. This time your body can do everything because it's 100% warm. Every joint is a warm. Inhale, exhale. We will try our best speed. Don't have to be so powerful, so forceful. No force, no jerk. Keep breath normal, contract your core muscle and bend forward as much you can and go back, lay down, touch the floor if you can. If cannot, no problem. Just stretch your hamstring as much you can. Okay, once we're done, we take a rest, no problem. Take a rest with the butterfly pose. This technique is the amazing result. You can improve your flexibility within few days. Within few days, you can see the magic. Okay, so slowly move your knee up and down. First thing, whenever we practice, our thought, try to control our mind. Negative thoughts, try to control our mind. How we can do that? How we can control our negative thoughts from the mind, out of the mind. How we can do? Some of them might be thinking like, oh, I cannot do this, I cannot do that. Oh, my body is not flexible. Yes, if you think like this way, you are exactly what you are thinking. So you have to change slightly your thinking. You have to say yes. If you have thought, oh, I cannot do like that, my body is too stiff. Yes, I cannot do like that, my body is not stiff, but you have to add the but I can try. Never try, never know. So try your best, never cross your limit. Okay, so I have to think positive, share positivity, and negative and positive, they always work together. If you're too positive, you have the too negative effect, the same. But we have to try our best to be positive. Negative we have to ignore. And our practice yoga, we need to make our body more healthier. Okay, so now I would like to give you awareness with your hip joint. Open your leg. Open your leg. One hand is behind, one hand is the front, behind, and one hand behind, one hand is the front. Contract your core muscle, lift your hip up. Lift your hip up, lean forward, move forward. Okay. So try. Now you can see how further you can go. If you remember, in the beginning of the class, how was the leg? And now you can see how is the practice. Some people, they have very tight hips, so they can feel a little difference. Just might be very little difference, but it's very amazing and very good to observe your awareness. So feel the awareness. Try to move your hip like a cat and cow. Roll your the tailbone in and stretch. So roll your tailbone in and out. Stretch your spine, bend your spine. Stretch and bend. Okay, very good. Never cross your limit. This is, I always told to my peoples, if you practice with me in my studio, in my yoga ashram, if you practice with me in workshop in Bangkok or somewhere else, or if you practice with me online, I always told the one thing: never look to the other side of the people beside of your mat or someone that people can do better than you. Never look them. Just look yourself. We have to close the eye. We have to concentrate to ourselves. We have to improve our own self. Whenever we look the other people, oh, they can do it this. Actually, we're sending our energy to them to make it more good. So we don't have to sending our energy to the people who is already good. So we have to keep our energy to bring ourselves into more good. So this is the mind concept, psychology. So we have to change our psychology. So we have to change our mentality. Okay, we have metta, karuna, mudita, upekha. So metta is for that people who has already good asana. Oh, okay, he's my friend, or he's my people, he's my good. Okay, anyone is a good, everybody is good, but I have to be good too. So every techniques, whatever we practicing, this is giving you more improvement. Might be you feel tired every day, but your tired days is gone already. This is the last day of the warm-up techniques. So tomorrow we start something new. So let's open your eyes and keep watching. Not only watching, practice do I? Practice too. Okay, so open your legs already. Now twist yourself and go back a little bit. Hip back a little bit. Walk back a little bit. Okay, hands behind and slowly bend your knees. Very good. Now move your knees up and down. Very good. Butterfly. Okay, so now keep legs front. Keep the legs forward. Hip up. Hip up. Try to catch your glutes and pull out. So you can feel your glutes muscles is away. So now you can feel your knees, but don't move fast, move slowly. Try to move slowly. Okay, for the people for those who have the knee pain, don't do this technique. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, bend forward. So hands is under the legs. Palms, forearm on the floor. Catch your feet. Catch your feet. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Knees relax. Okay, slowly inhale, head up. And bring your hands out. Raise your hands up again. And exhale, palms on the floor. And this time we walk front. We walk forward. We walk forward. Try to stretch maximum. Lift your one hip up and walk front. Lift your another hip up and walk front. Lift your another hip up and walk front. Okay, stretch your spine. And now your feet must be on your chest or forehead. Check smell. Home mind. You feel the good smell or not when you head down? Some of the people maybe feel, oh, want to daisy now. No problem, this is your feet, not somebody else. So enjoy your smell, relax yourself. My feet, no smell at all. Or maybe my nose has a problem now. No, my nose is okay now. So relax yourself. Okay, slowly walk back. Okay, feels so good when I relax, come back. Hands going back. Open your legs. Open your legs and shake your leg. Okay. Very good, very good.